down there. So I just got the other tracks. There's still heaps more down there. So, what are we going to do? We're just going to connect the tracks together. We even have a U-turn. And we have some more connecting bits. And some more tracks. To build the jump. Yeah, let's do it.
So yeah?
So it's going to be wide open, so it's really big. So we just finished building the track. Need more track bits to go forward. We even got a thing to make it go fast. So you pull it back. Then you press the button. Then it releases the car to make it go.
Oh, and then it goes really fast.
Yes. So right here now, we've got a Hot Wheels car. No. And in 3, no. Keep doing the track. Do you guys feel like helping me? Okay. So even these tracks can fold up, so it's just keep connecting. We're going to jump the car into the container. We're going to build a jump. Now we're going to make the platform for the jump. So let's just do it. We have the bullets back so that it can't get too much speed, because the car will just go flinging. And this part, it has to go like this to make the jump.
Okay, so how are we going to fix that?
We have the container for the thing to go in. So now we have the car. I'm going to test out with the hands.
Almost!
Oh my god. It almost make it, but I have to push it fast.
Okay.
So if I push it fast, I have to move this straight. Okay, fingers should all be done.
Ah!
We need more speed. You have to stay down there. Okay, so we just made the ramp higher and it's going to go. We're going to try and get all the cars in there. We're going to try this Ferrari out. This is going to make it in. Now we have this car. Hi guys, so we're doing 1 by 1 cars.
bucket.
Yeah, so we're going to add the U-turn. Okay, we should test this out. If it won't, we're going to move this closer. Okay, so that's that. Done it! Oh my god. Okay, so we're going to try a different car. The other car will go faster. The other car will go faster, and then if these cars go down into the dam, we're going to get the other cars. So we'll just try 2 at a time. So, what car do you think I should choose? This one or this one? This one? Okay. This one actually goes faster. So if you imagine. And now we're going to try out this car. So
Okay.
only one car went off the jump. This one didn't do it. We're going to start this one to start. So we're going to remove the car because this car's going to go. Comment down below if this car's going to work. And this one only has one, so this one doesn't go fast enough.
So we want, which one's the fast one?
This one.
That one's the fast one.
So let's just do it. Leave a like button if this is going to work. Because I think it's not going to work. If it could have worked. Sorry guys, that's just a lawnmower part. So we're just going to take this one off. And now we should just start doing it. We're just putting this on. And we're going to do this. And also, this is a special one because this one doesn't fold. Part of it's already doing something because this one has to fold and we have to use this one for this, but it's actually being good because this won't fold. Only a little bit it will fold because this part's going up. So we're almost done. And we're at the end. So this is our holes track. Luckily we have this connecting bit because we have to make this part longer because that's lifting up. Okay. So now it's already almost done. So let's keep working on it.
We might lose a little bit of speed going up this last ramp. Let's see.
But we're going to use a slingshot.
Ah.
So that will make it get heaps of speed and jump into this box. Okay. So it's going to go from the slingshot down to this massive ramp, go up here and jump into the container.
Okay.
Do you think we should use speed 6 or speed 24? All fast and jump into the container. So let's start doing it. Just hold the slingshot back and we have to press this button to activate that to sling the car all the way down there and go into the box. So let's activate the button. So we're going to do it again because that was a complete fail, and we're going to push it back so it gets more speed. Boom.
Oh.
So, if you have to start again, look, it works from here, go down there, then it turns there. Because it actually gets slower speed. You need slow speed, not fast speed, or we'll just fling off. Because this turn is too powerful, it will just fling off. Follow me on YouTube, and subscribe and see my awesome videos. Bye.